or you're just about to start your food business, selling is one challenge you're definitely going to face. However, selling is generally a challenge to all food entrepreneurs, um, especially when you are new, but um, it's also a challenge to those who are also in the food business. Okay, selling is a challenge to all food entrepreneurs, and selling is very vital because without selling, most food products will shut down. And so, as a food entrepreneur, upcoming food entrepreneur, how do I deal with the challenge of selling my food products, to get consumers that can buy my food products regularly and have consistency in my sales? To do this, you need to have done the essentials, which is registering your food business and having a high quality pack food, using a high quality packing material for your food product. Okay, because it can attract consumer when you have a good quality food pack product. Okay, so if you've not done that, I advise you to register your business and do a very high quality packaged product, okay, that can attract consumers before you start thinking of selling. Okay, so if you've done this, the way to sell your food product is actually using the display method. Okay, display method help you to display your food products both to consumers, either in the market physically or online. Okay, because when your food product is displayed, it's help to create awareness for the food product. Okay, displaying for your food product is mandatory because it creates awareness in the mind of your consumers. It makes people to know about your product. Okay, and when you display your product, it gives visibility to your food product. When your product have visibility, you get sales. When your product is not having good visibility, your food business is going to be stuck because you are not selling, and eventually might result to the shut down of your food business. Okay, so how do you do this display method to get the visibility and awareness that your business need in the mind of your consumer? There are basically two ways you can achieve this. Okay, we have the online method and you have the physical method. Okay, if you are using the online method, you'll be using most of the social media platforms like your Instagram, your YouTube, your Facebook, and TikTok. You use those to make video content or create high quality image that can capture the mind of consumers. And what you do with your video content or your image is use the food product you have to show your consumer the benefit of your food product. Okay, for example, if you're making plantain flour, you want to do a high quality image of your plantain flour being used, not the plantain flour himself. You have to show the end result of your plantain flour. For example, we know that the end result of plantain flour is basically amala. So your video should be your image should be displaying amala. Okay, that's the end product. So your consumers will know that your plantain flour will produce amala for them, okay, which they can use as swallow for different kind of soup. If you are doing a food video content, that should be your content. And also you can do content that talk about the benefits of plantain flour, like what plantain flour do for our bodies. Okay, when we consume plantain flour, what it does to our body. Okay, what health benefits we derive from purchasing your plantain flour. So you go to the social media platform and you talk about your products by selling the benefits and creating video that is very attention catching. Okay, so when you can catch the mind of your audience online, you will be able to get buyers from those audience, because that's how you get buyers. Your audience eventually turn into your consumers. Okay, and for the physical method, you want to take your food products to shops, to stores, to marketplace, to church, to schools, maybe workplace. Now this last theory I mentioned, there are locations that you have to take caution when taking your food products to, because they are basically a place of commitment. Like they have some certain rules around it. Okay, so if you are taking it to school, church, or workplace, you have to use your orientation. Okay, and you make sure you prioritize your work, your duties, your church routine before you start talking about your food product. Okay, maybe you can do that eventually when you have closed from service or when you are breaking the work. Okay, so you just need to use your discretion for such place, this last three location. But however, if you are taking your food product to get it display in shop, store, marketplace, business exhibition, or in business events, or event shows, you need to just let the retailers or whosoever the marketers you are giving the product to if you are giving to a marketer, they know their job, they know what to do, they know how to bring sales. If you are doing it yourself, you have to make kind of create a communication between you and the retailer. Tell them about your product, tell them you would like to have your product displayed in their shops. Okay, and you know that when you're doing the physical method, any retailer helping you to display your food products in their shop for your product to gain awareness and visibility, because it's a new product in the mind of consumer or in the marketplace, you need to give them benefits. Okay, you need to give them like a reward for helping you do this. So for every food product every sale you make in your food product through them, you have to give them like a commission from your profits. Okay, so that's how you do the physical display method. Okay, then also, I know some persons might say, I think the online way is better. Yes, because you feel you don't need to share your profit with anyone. Obviously, you can, in the online display method, you don't share your profit with anyone. But let's talk about how large is your audience online. I mean, your page, what visit, how many followers do you have, how many views do you get when you make your post? Because if you are not if you do a display of your food image, or you do a video content about your food and it's not getting audience, it's not getting visibility, no sales is going to come through those content. Okay, the best way to do online, one of the best way to do it is actually doing like ads, running ads. Okay, through that way you'll be able to get more visibility. And we all know that running ads costs money. Money is involved. So whichever way you choose, whichever way is convenient for you, you are still going to, in one way or the other, spend money. You need to know that in the display method, when you are using the display method as a upcoming foodpreneur, you money is involved. Okay, in promoting any food product, whether upcoming or as an existing food entrepreneur, in promoting any food product, money is involved. Okay, so whichever method you choose as your display method, if you want to do the online display method, or you want to do the physical display method, or you want to do both, whichever method you choose is basically up to you, because we have this saying, now who wears shoe know where they pin them. So whatever method you actually decide to go with, viewers, is basically your decision to take. Okay, so I get some person might be saying, is this all I have to do to get buyer for my food products? Basically yes, because once your product is displayed, you get consumer awareness, you get visibility for it, and you get sales if you have a very good quality food product and a good packaged food product. Okay, so that's it. But there is also what we call the communication method, which I'm not going to be covering in this video. I'll be doing a part 2 on this topic, and I'm going to talk about the way we can use this communication method to hit our sales, trigger more, to reach out to more consumers and get more sales for our food products. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video, and if you get value from it, I believe you've gotten some information that will help you as an upcoming food entrepreneur, or maybe an existing food entrepreneur. And I would like you to share this video, like, comment, drop a comment if there are other ways you think about that should be used in selling our food product. You can drop a comment, and also turn on your notification bell. It's the like button. Turn on your notification bell, so when I do the part 2 of this video, you'll be notified. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate. Thank you so much for adding value to my channel. I remain your girl Rose, food entrepreneur and coach, and I'll see you in my next video.